Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator on a Nissan Maxima. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical shocks. Next, gather all your necessary tools, including a 13mm wrench, a ratchet, and a serpentine belt tool. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before you begin, as hot components can cause burns. This preparation ensures a safe and smooth replacement process. Now, let's access the alternator. Begin by using a serpentine belt tensioner tool to release the tension on the drive belt. Once the tension is off, carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. After the belt is free, locate and disconnect the electrical connectors and the main power wire from the back of the alternator. These steps clear the way for the alternator's removal. With the belt and wires disconnected, it's time to remove the old alternator. You'll typically find 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding it in place. Carefully unbolt them. Once the bolts are out, gently maneuver the old alternator out of its position. Now, take your new alternator, carefully position it, and secure it by reinserting and tightening those mounting bolts. Ensure everything is snug and properly aligned. For the final steps, let's reassemble and test. Reconnect all the electrical wires and the main power cable to your new alternator. Next, carefully route the serpentine belt back around all the pulleys, ensuring it's seated correctly. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and check your dashboard for any battery warning lights, confirming your new alternator is working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.